Charlie, obviously a very different result this time round in comparison to last year. Can you tell me a bit about the match?
Yeah, well, we were 1-0 up at half time when I came on, and we'd competed really well, been on top of them for most of the half, and then I came on as an attacking midfielder, just looking to stretch them in behind, come and get at feet when I can, and the ball got put out wide to Kaylee, and I made the box and got on the end of a cross to make it 2-0. And then I think we we controlled the game from then on. We sat in a bit more, and yeah, I think we saw the game out really well.
And you youngsters did a fantastic job, didn't you? Especially with Gemma and Hannah as well.
Yeah.
Obviously really pleased with the performance then.
Definitely. I think it's really good that the younger players are coming on and doing well and showing that we can compete and everything, and it's just great experience for us, especially in tournaments like this when we've got such a large number of games in a small space of time. It makes it really good to get a lot of experience in. Yeah.
And you've got Czech Republic next, isn't it, on Friday? So how are you feeling about that next fixture?
Good. I think we all feel really positive about all our fixtures in the upcoming week. We'll have a look at how they play and prepare for it the same as we did this game.
Just a one-liner, how pleased are you that you've just beaten Hungary 2-0?
Ecstatic.
As Helen was just saying, 42 goals, you've extended your lead once more.
Yeah, no, it's obviously always a good feeling to score for Wales, and I think both the goals came at good times in the game. We were in control, but it's always good to use that pressure and get a goal at the end of it, and I think the second one especially killed them off, so both the goals were at good times, and yeah, it's always nice to score.
And obviously a very different result in comparison to last year's 2-1 defeat.
Yeah, we spoke a lot about last year and how it was developing for what we've done in the year since, and we wanted to come here and win the games, and we've done that. First game, first win, which we're really pleased about. We also spoke about finishing games strongly. Obviously last year they beat us with a late winner, so it was nice for us to close the game out, keep a clean sheet and finish strongly.
And obviously earlier you saw the last half of Republic of Ireland beating Czech Republic. How are you feeling going into that next match? Yeah,
we're confident. Obviously the Czechs are going to be hurting. They're going to want to come out and get points on the board against us. But you know, we watch both teams. They've both got good qualities, both got strong players, but we've got nothing to fear. We've come out and played really well in our first game. We're sitting joint top of the group with Ireland now, so we've got nothing to fear in the next game, and we'll recover tomorrow and get back for Friday and hopefully take them on.